badass projects just keep coming out of the shop over here at Kraftwerks. As you guys know, we're the #1 Game & Force induction for the Kawasaki KRX. This is the one and only Jeremy McGrath, the legend himself. When his Kawasaki KRX is looking for some more power for some upcoming races, he gave us the call, we came running. So let's get behind the scenes and check it out. So to start things off, we installed the new Kraftwerks Extreme RR exhaust to make sure that everybody could hear this beast coming. Make sure this thing is going to stay reliable and make peak performance at all times throughout the whole race. We added our brand new triple fan shroud kit. After that, bolted on our Kraftwerks supercharger and gave him the full treatment on it to make sure that this thing was running perfect on our dyno and test and tuning it.
So check it out. Right here we have this cute little supercharger right here. It's called the C15 Roadtrek supercharger. And that's what's boosting this KRX. And we're gonna see what kind of power it does. Obviously it's 8 pounds. We're gonna see maybe later trump the boost, go like 10 pounds, see what it does. And hopefully this McGrath guy will love it, which I think he will.
Oh, this exhaust is good.
This thing's dialed. Don't go easy on it. Now's the time to break it all. Yeah. Like, you don't know the limits until you break it. Excited. I will report back after the weekend. And you're good.
All in all, this KRX has pretty much every bell and whistle we could throw at it with our Kraftwerks catalog. Everything that you see here today, you could order yourself. Make sure you go to kraftwerksusa.com today and get yours on order.